one faction prevails.
There's no evidence of that.
Sure there is. Just grab the history book. The British with India, the Germans with
A wrecking ball to the face, he buries one opponent after another. Can you dig? Excavator! 3, 2, 1, fight!
China and Russia are off the grid. They aren't speaking to anyone.